Hi everyone. Well, my paper pumpkin just arrived and I'm actually really looking forward to this one because I like to make pretty, florals and pretty colors, and I often find that when it comes to my brother or my nephews or, any small or teenage boys in my life, when their birthdays come around, I'm scrambling. So this one is called Batter Up. It's the May box, and it's got your double bubble baseball gum in it, which I think is funny. And then you've got a Night of Navy Spot. But look at this stamp set. Put it this way. You're the greatest of all time. That's going to be great for things like my dad or, different things like that. Oh, and there's even, look at that. Grandpa, dad, son, uncle, friend, just ever, brother, mom. So you've kind of got a lot of the bases covered in this one. And or you can just say greatest of all time and not add greatest brother, greatest whatever. I think it's really versatile, and I like that there's this baseball hat and a baseball bat. You've got All-Star. This is going to be nice for scrapbooking too, I think. And the You're the Best. Just plain old You're the Best is going to be great for so many things. So anyway, I really was looking forward to this one. I think this is a nice stamp set to add to my stamp collection. That's one of the great things about Paper Pumpkin are the sentiments that you get, because you're going to use up the kit and then you're going to have these stamps left over that you're going to use again and again, and they always have exclusive and great stamp sets in these kits. So this is one that I'm going to use. I think I really like this one a lot, and I'm going to use this whole kit probably just as is. And if they sell refills, I'll probably get that too, because look at this. This is going to be so great for, I don't have to scramble to make a card for my brother or my dad or my sons. So here's the picture. It says All-Star Son, but you can just put All-Star and leave that blank if you're going to send that to like a nephew or something like that, or a coach. You can give this to teachers, or just You're the Best. It's not quite baseball themed, so if you don't need baseball, you can leave that alone, and you can just put You're the Best, but here they added the uncle, see? And then Grandpa, you're in a league of your own. That's awesome. So really, really like this kit, and I am excited to actually see it in person. Alright, these are for your sentiments. I want to point out another thing. In the past, the Paper Pumpkin instructions were just one cover photo and then barely any step-by-steps. And look at that. They've really upped their game in the instructions. They have color photos on the inside now. And so that's really cool. I really like that they did that. And then here are some alternates. Some other ways they use the pieces in the kit. And if you're on Facebook, they actually have, we have a whole website or Facebook page dedicated to Paper Pumpkin, and people post all kinds of things that they're doing with it, so that's a fun thing to join if you want. But here are some of the elements. Look at that. Really cute. When my brother was little, he was in baseball for a long time, and they actually made baseball cards with his image on them. Probably tons of families have done that. I just remember that. It's really cute. My brother and all his stats. Here's some little dots. These are your adhesives and some baker's twine. I love the envelopes. Look at that. That's fun. And then here are the card bases. Really fun and different. We haven't had something like this ever that I can think of, especially in Paper Pumpkin. So this is something I really liked. I was real excited to get it. When I saw that it was going to be baseball themed and all that, I was just on board. So this is the Batter Up Paper Pumpkin Kit. If you missed out, let me know and we can see if we can find one for you. And subscribe to Paper Pumpkin and don't miss another one. Now here is kind of an idea of what's coming next month. And I want you to know a couple of things. First of all, the box looks like this. So it's kind of a funky box that you can use for gift wrap. It's really cool. It's going to make 9 cards with coordinating envelopes. This is the theme. Okay, so these colors. And it also says that it comes with 2 stamp spots next month. So you're going to get 2 of those. Where did I do with my spot? 2 of the ink spots next month. So you don't want to miss that. Okay, so if you have any questions about Paper Pumpkin, how it works, or how to get it, let me know, and I will be happy to help you figure that out. Also, in the description of the video, there's a link to how to subscribe, or you can check it out at my Facebook page or blog. Thanks for watching.